Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying E.l.f. Supermask with Soothing Centella Asiatica. I hope I'm saying it right, but you guys already know, I butcher words. So if I'm not saying it right, please correct me in the comments, and my bad. With that being said, 1.8 ounces of this mask will run you $12. So this is supposed to be a soothing mask. We are going to read off the details of this mask. It says, this soothing treatment face mask is like a warm, comforting hug for your skin. This thick gel-like texture mask is infused with anti-redness, antioxidant rich, aka Cica, a green herb found in many Asian regimens. This Cica mask helps to calm stressed skin for a complexion that's cool as a cucumber. So I am so excited today to try this mask. Let's see if my skin looks cool as a cucumber after, but before that, let's go ahead and swatch this product. Okay, so this is the product. I don't really see gel-like texture when we swatch this. I see more lotion, creamy texture. I'm not feeling gel. Are y'all feeling gel? Y'all getting gel-like consistency with this? It feels more like Vaseline. It's giving me Vaseline tease, Vaseline base. It really I don't feel gel. But what do y'all think about this texture? Is it gel-like? Okay, so let's go ahead and smell the product. It's giving me lavender, very lavender base fragrance. Yeah, it's lavender. It's a really calming fragrance. So let's go ahead and put this on our face. Okay, so let's apply this mask. I do want to say this. It does say apply an even layer to your face. I know this is about my third time using this, and I used a lot the first few times. But while I'm on camera with y'all, I'm going to just keep it professional and bougie so I don't get judged for me applying the whole jar. So let's go ahead and apply that even layer. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Oh yeah. Hey you guys, this is what the mask looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and get my neck. What do y'all think? Here we go. Let me get my lips so I don't be looking crazy. Y'all know y'all like to try to call me out for looking crazy. So let me get my lip real good. Okay, you guys, so I got my lips and I got my face. What do you guys think? I don't feel any cooling sensations. I do feel like I've just applied lotion to my face, but with more of a kick. I don't know. I don't know. It's a little bit heavy, I feel, but we're gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes and see what it's giving me after that. What do you guys think? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We will see. Okay, you guys. So it's been about 10 minutes and this is what the mask looks like. Greasy much. But I'm going to stay positive. I'm not going to call it Vaseline with a kick. I'm not going to call it greasy and petroleum jelly-like feeling base because it's not rinsed off. So I'm not making any predictions, but it's giving me Aquaphor Vaseline with a kick tease. That's all I gotta say. But we are going to be positive about this. Okay, you guys, so my face is drenched in water. I am gonna go ahead and dry my face, and then after we are going to see is this Aquaphor vibes is giving me. We are going to see. Okay, you guys, so here is my skin after the soothing mask. What do you guys think? Here is my cheek. Here is my other cheek. Here is my chin. And here is my forehead. What do you guys think? Let me look in my handy dandy. mirror. I don't know how I feel. But let's talk about it. Okay, so it's not a bad mask. It didn't overwhelm me and it didn't underwhelm me because I was really expecting Aquaphor Vaseline tease from it. Like after I took the mask off, my face was gonna be greasy, nasty looking. I am gonna go ahead and give this mask probably like a 3.999. Just because it didn't give me Aquaphor Vaseline tease. Other than that, I don't think it's a bad mask. When I used it the very first time, I've used it twice and this is the third time I've used it. I didn't feel any soothing properties. I didn't feel any soothing properties this time. It's just not soothing to me. But I guess if you're comparing it to a cucumber gel mask, you're just not going to get those same properties. I think this is a fun mask for people who are just looking to add another step in their skincare routine. I really think you'll like this mask. I just don't want you expecting a lot from it so you don't be getting overwhelmed and then get underwhelmed and be mad at the mask. It's not a bad mask, but it's just not, oh my God, all the masks you need. I think it's great for hydration. You know, Cica is really popular in Asian countries, specifically Korean skincare does a lot of Cica skincare products. So Cica is a very popular for its soothing properties. I just really didn't feel any Cica properties from this mask the first time I used it and this time I used it and the second time I used it. So if you have a sunburn, a wind burn, any type of burns like that, you're normally using like your cucumber gel mask or a aloe vera gel mask, whatever brand you use, and you want to try something different, in my personal opinion, don't be expecting this to really be soothing your wind burns and sunburns. Maybe try the brands you stick to. If you have inflammation, I think this will help with your inflammation if it's a little bit of inflammation. Now, if you have major inflammation from, like, you know, having really bad acne, or you had a breakout that you did pop and it's really giving you a lot of inflammation and you want to put this mask on for that, girl, just to let you know, it will underwhelm you a little bit. But I think if you have like minor inflammation where, you know, just a little bit of redness from like a blackhead you pop and you put this mask on, I think you would enjoy it. But if you're looking for it to get rid of the bigger issues with inflammation, you have a windburn or sunburn, girl, you will be mad and then try to get this mask a bad review. Now, with skincare types, I think will like this mask. Personally, I think all skincare types will like it. I don't think it will break you out. However, if you are sensitive to lavender oil in skincare, then this may break you out. It doesn't have a fragrance. I looked at the ingredient list. There's no fragrance in it. However, it does give off a lavender oil scent because it does have lavender in it. And I do want to say this, lavender does have soothing properties. However, lavender is not for everyone. You know, we are in a new era where people don't like lavender in skincare. Certain people, I love it. Y'all know I believe in essential oils, so y'all already know the dealio on this channel. But for those who don't believe in lavender, doesn't soothe, you feel lavender is an irritating oil to you, even though there are studies that say lavender is soothing. However, if it irritates you, then I suggest this product is not for you because it does have lavender in it and it may irritate your skin. It may cause a reaction and it may cause a breakout, especially if you're sensitive to essential oils in general. Honey, now you know I love an essential oil. I dash sage in the house. I got my sage everywhere. Honey, I'm dashing you in lavender. Not you guys, but you, if you came to this house and I felt a negative vibe, you can dash your sage and lavender in the whole house. And Sonobi, I have her spin around and make sure I get the sage all over her. Let me stop because then y'all think I'm But that's just me. Y'all know I'm a reformed hippie slash prepper. So that's just me. Y'all already know that. However, if that is not you, you don't like lavender, you do not believe in fragrances and essential oils, you believe it belongs in a candle and a perfume and makeup, I have nothing to say. That's you. I think this may not be the mask for you. Just don't be expecting it if you have really bad inflammation for it to just help calm it down. But I think if you have really light inflammation from like a black hair or just one day you're just a little bit of a red, I think it will help with that. With that being said, you guys, those are my thoughts on this mask. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you ever tried this mask? What do you think of this mask? Let me know. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.